In this example, we're going to show you the one-click sync. I've loaded 4 clips from 4 different cameras in our preview window here, and I wanted to sync these together. What the red means is that the recording has not yet begun for that, and the blue one is our reference right now. We could make any our reference, but these other 3, the video has not started recording. They're just off a little bit because when you turn on all the cameras, they don't all go on and record at the same time. So these 4 views were actually taken from our playlist here for each camera. Yeah, you can see here we have a camera for the front tire, for the front handlebars, and also the body cam, as well as we call it the scene camera, and this is the Hero 10. So we've got 4 different Hero cameras here. As you can see, they start approximately, recording time, very similar, but not exact. So that's why we see a couple of them. This one started a little bit earlier than, let's say, that one there. So anyway, just to give you some idea, so I'm going to cancel that out. And now we have 2 ways to do this. The new way, the old way, was to just drag the bar a little bit until they all come into sync like that, and that works. But a much quicker way is when we load a bunch of clips like that, we can just hit the one-click sync button, and they're all in sync. And now when we play it, they're all together. That's the demonstration.